Hi, I'm Caley Anderson with Collaborative Drug Discovery, and we're here in the Bullpen for Pitch Fest in Minneapolis. And I'm here with Michelle Zoromski, representing m.zoro. Michelle, tell us a little bit about your background and what brought you here today.
Absolutely. So started my career in engineering, thought I was going to be technical, 28 patents. And then I saw a lot of technology dying on the vine. And what I decided was really to have the biggest impact, that I really wanted to understand the business side as well as to help others bring their products to market. So that's really the foundation of m.zoro. Is we consider ourselves life science commercialization experts. And our mission is to help companies bring their life science technologies to market successfully.
I love that. It's very important in contributing to the impact. So what's on the horizon, or maybe some initiatives that you want to highlight?
Absolutely. Well, a couple of things. I mean, at our foundation is definitely customer stakeholder understanding. So our motto is you can never know your customer enough. And we have so many stakeholders. So that's really one of our foundational principles, as well as an integrated commercialization strategy. So understanding reimbursement, regulatory, clinical, how all these things connect to make you successful. Because it's not always just about the product, right? There's a lot of different things that go into a buy decision. I think the thing we're most excited about is in the last 4 or 5 years, we've been on this journey in finance, trying to help our clients get funding. You know, it takes a lot of funding to bring these things to market. And we realized that it wasn't enough to do the work, that we actually had to help our, clients with funding. So we do non-dilutive funding, but we also in the last couple of years have started on the dilutive funding as well. And that's what brought us to Bullpen. So one of the things that's on our horizon is that we are helping several companies, one particularly that's in the acute and chronic pain space. We want to really help them bring this biologic to market that's non-addictive, that is going to really get at the root cause of the opioid epidemic while we're managing pain.
It's wonderful. So I should know the answer to this, but going back to the non-dilutive funding, have we already featured you on a Bullpen virtual panel?
No.
Okay.
But I would love to.
Yeah, no, that's great. I asked because we have a virtual inning leading up to JP Morgan would be our next one coming up.
Oh,
so
sure.
I'll keep that in mind.
That would be great.
We should add you. So
yeah.
Wonderful. So last question for you, very easy. Michelle, how can the Bullpen community help you?
So I think of myself fundamentally as a connector. And that's really what I'm looking for from the Bullpen. So on one hand, if you are in the opioid space, if you are passionate about funding biologics, if you have any ties in pain, we're looking for funding to really help this company launch. But it's also just about the connections. Today, the Minnesota funding, I'm like, ooh, I've got a company that I got to tie them to. And then Plug and Play, I was like, oh, I've got an AI company for that. And it's not really going to drive any business for us, but it's really going to elevate those companies. And so I love the collaborative connection, the general premise of just help others and move on to the next, because that's what we do every day.
I love that. And of course, that is the Bullpen mantra. So to find someone to help and repeat. So, okay, Bullpen community, you heard Michelle. So let's reach out to her and help her out. And hopefully we see you all again in October for Bio on the Bayou in New Orleans.
Fabulous. Bourbon Street.
Yes. Thanks so much for being here today, Michelle.
Thanks so much for having me.